The express guide to the InitiativeQ registration. As it's not entirely clear, here you are, the wrap-up in few slides. Click the invitation link. On the web page, use the button that will appear, accept +18 rules, insert your name and email, and you may log in at once. An invitation link looks like this. You can use this one. When you write it in the address field or click somewhere it is placed, you will go to the InitiativeQ registration page. For a short moment will appear such information with name of the person whose invitation you used. And you will finish here. Now you have to click the button. You will be asked to approve the terms of rule. I would not be frightened much that it's for over 18s. Use your parents' name if they are not so much interested. Anyway, they do not check anything for now. Then you will be asked to give only your name and email, or alternatively you can register with Facebook, Twitter or Google. Now you can log in and use your account. I do not know how it works with Twitter, Facebook or Google, but if you signed up with your mail address, you will receive a mail and will have to confirm your registration. You may use your account, but in any case you will have to be accepted by the one who invited you. After that, you are sure to have rewards accredited. Download the application as it doubles your registration reward, and it's quite a lot. Invite others using your own invitation link. You will find it in your account page. Remember also that you will need to accept others every time to get the reward for each person. Use this invitation if in need. Also, watch other videos from the playlist you see in YouTube now or search at this address.